Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make your customized color palette. So I already made this pixel art, and I want to keep whatever I have chosen. Like I choose those color like at random, and I want to keep the consistency of my pixel art, so I need to make a color palette. How to do that? Really simple. So first you need to get the swatches up and running. So if you haven't got the running, just go to the Windows and we got the swatches. Okay, so if you click here, it's gone, and it's okay. It's okay. You just click it and click swatches, and it's it. Really simple. And you can already got this like RGB, CM, YK, all this like grayscale color palette. Okay, and you can add one of your own. So you can click and say this will be your, say, pixel art, and yeah, something like that, pixel art project. And then you can add color. So you can say color swatch name, and you can add to my current library. Okay, so you can say like actor 1 or something like that, or sprite 001, something like that. Okay, and then you can get a color. And you might think, why you got this like a greenish color? Doesn't. Alright, sorry, my phone got ring and it almost scared me. Okay, doesn't really matter. Let's continue. Remember we got eyedropper. So right now the active selected color is this like yeah, greenish color, collected, optimized, all of that. Yeah, doesn't really matter. It's just okay, and libraries. You can just get rid of this. Doesn't really matter. Okay, and then it's time to use eyedropper. So it's just eye, and click it here, right? And just click it here. And normally I wouldn't, add all this name. I just click OK. Okay. Your library can't be modified because it's a read-only library. Okay, doesn't really matter. Okay, and I say I want this color, just click it. And if you just want to like get rid of this annoying that the library is like read-only library, you can do something like this. Let me just do that again. Okay, so eyedropper, click, just get rid of this on my current library. Okay, and then I can just get this color as well. So add that. Okay, and say add this darkish blue color, all that. It's a kind of repetitive process, and I don't know why Photoshop don't have the functionality of say like I'm using portrait, and you just just click and drag, and the color palette will automatically generate for you. And maybe Photoshop is not like, they're really not good at this, or maybe they just not cater to digital artists, or maybe they just don't care. Doesn't really matter. But hey, I search whole internet. This is just like saying the only way of doing things. Okay, so once you've done that, and then you can create, say, I will create a stand. Then you can create another sprite, and then apply this color. Okay, so you can say hey, I want to change that to brush. Okay, but right now it's not a brush, it's a pencil, because it's pixel art, by the way. So if you're interested in pixel art, you can check it my previous video. And then I can choose the color. Okay, I can just click, and then automatically it will be selected. It's like an eyedropper tool. Automatically you move it out mouse over the swatches, automatically become that color. So for example, I want to add some of the shading of the hair. Okay, and I can just click it and say I want to make her hair a little bit longer, something like that. Okay, something like that. Yeah, I can do that. I can absolutely do that. And of course, if you say, hey, I want to add something more, you can just change the color you want. Say, make it darker, more, or desaturate a little bit, and then you can just draw. Okay, this is like you do that out of necessity. So the most important thing is to get your drawing down, right? So you can add a little bit shading here, because like a lower part will be darker. So that's where I want to add all this like a dark color. Okay, just to add a little bit. That's it. Really, really simple. Of course, that really depends on you, because you can, you know, add more detail, like you want to add detail at the back, something like that. You can do this, of course, no problem. But once you have finished that, you just need to use eyedropper tool, click it, eyedropper will be here, and then go to the swatches and click add, and it will be here. So you kind of like store that and adding that to your color palette, so you can use that later. Okay, that'll be all. Really short video. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up, and give please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.